it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty. If you're new, welcome. I'm just gonna hop right into this video. So this is the photo that I discovered on Pinterest that I wanted to make a replica of on my canvas, and I'm just simply tracing out the picture onto my canvas so I can paint it. If you are not much of an artiste or feel that you can't draw, do not get discouraged. Honestly, anyone can draw a picture. It's just trial and error, and I just suggest that you just take your time. And honestly, anybody can achieve this exact piece. It's really simple. So when you're doing this, just don't overthink it, and then just go for it and take your time. The only thing that I suggest that when you're tracing like this, try not to be heavy-handed and just go lightly, because if you do make any mistakes, you'll leave some harsh lines. But yeah, this is what I came up with, and this is the paint that I decided to use. Is some $2 paint, and that is a brush that came out of a pack of 4 that was also $2, and I got that from Walmart. Everything that I am using, including the canvases, all that will be in the description box. And you see that I am just taking that small brush and I am just lightly dipping into the paint, and I am lightly tracing right over that line. And when you're doing this, just take your time. Again, you don't want to mess it up, so just slightly just go over the line, and then once you completely go over everything, then you'll see me later on in the video just kind of clean everything up and go over the lines again to make them thicker, like the canvas that's on the right of this one. Okay, so I made a boo-boo, so I am just taking my white nail polish and I'm just lightly dabbing that over the 2 dots that I accidentally smeared on my canvas. If you have some white paint and you make an error like this, you can use that too. And guys, lastly, I can use your help. So should I give her butt some dimension, or should I just leave it as is? Please comment below and let me know. I've been going back and forth about that for quite some time now, so I really don't know. But yeah, let me know. Leave it as is, or should I give her booty? But yeah, this is what the pictures look like hung up in my bedroom. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.